Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So today I'm headed to Lowe's. I need to pick up a few things for this big job I got coming up. I want to stay on top of everything. So the main things I'm looking for today is something I can cut trees with that's high, you know, like tall trees, tree limbs. And also I need something that's going to be like a wheelbarrow and a few tarps. So yeah, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe so you can be part of the Yard Masters community. So guys, I'm looking at some of these pole saws they got. They got one for $199. I don't really want no cheap gas pole saw. You get what I'm saying? Like if I'm gonna get a gas, I get one that's like $300-400 that I know is gonna last. I was looking at the Ego, looking at that. I came to my final decision. This one, cause I only really need it one time. I know I might need it in the future, but when the future comes, I want to steal. So yeah, I'm finna pick this one up. It says 2-in-1. Yeah, it says 2-in-1, so I can use it as a saw, and I can use it as a pole saw. Okay guys, as you just seen, I was in Lowe's. I picked up a pole saw / chainsaw, and I also picked up a new hedger. It has a longer blade. The other one I had is like 17 inches. That one's supposed to be a lot bigger. I got some oil for my chains and stuff because I'm gonna have to use a chainsaw also. I got a chainsaw at the house, a steel chainsaw. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much prepared. I could have used a wheelbarrow, but I won't try to spend too much, and then I won't profit as much. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, I'm on the way home now, and I might get my tire changed today too. I don't know yet, but yeah, stay tuned.